Sakubona mfundi, let me teach you in this lesson how to talk about clothes in Ndebele. You want to ask the question, what are you wearing? And you want to be able to answer it comprehensively. Okay, so the question, what are you wearing? Ugqokeni. Okay, ukugqoka is to dress up, to wear. Okay, and isigqoko is a dress. Okay, so ugqokeni. If you want to add more details, ugqokeni khathesi. What are you wearing right now? Ugqokeni namuhla. What are you wearing today? Let's start with the dress. You want to say, I am wearing a black dress. Ngigqoke isigqoko esimnyama. What about the red one? Ngigqoke isigqoko esibomvu. Blue. Start with green. Ngigqoke isigqoko esiluhlaza. Angithi white. Ngigqoke isigqoko esimhlophe. Angithi that's how you answer the question. All right. You want to say I'm wearing a spotted dress. Ngigqoke isigqoko esilamabala. Angithi using the colors I've already taught you. You can say I'm wearing a dress with white spots. Ngigqoke isigqoko esilamabala amhlophe. How about red spots? Ngigqoke isigqoko esilamabala abomvu. Okay, so you can talk about shoes as well. Ugqokeni. Ngigqoke izicathulo ezimhlophe, izicathulo ezimnyama, izicathulo ezibomvu. Angithi izicathulo eziluhlaza for green. Let's add yellow. Ngigqoke izicathulo ezilithanga. So ithanga is a pumpkin, and then also the color yellow is ithanga. All right, coming from the pumpkin. Okay, right. You want to describe that you are wearing a pair of trousers. What do you say? Namuhla ngigqoke ibhulukwe elimnyama. Today I'm wearing a black trousers. What if it's white? Namuhla ngigqoke ibhulukwe elimhlophe. Green. Ngigqoke ibhulukwe eliluhlaza. Yellow. Ngigqoke ibhulukwe elilithanga. What if you want to say right now I'm wearing a white trousers? Khathesi ngigqoke ibhulukwe elimhlophe. All right. We also have sitheni isigqoko ibhulukwe. You can talk about isikipa. Angithi mina ngigqoke isikipa esimnyama. And if it's white, ngigqoke isikipa esimhlophe. Green, ngigqoke isikipa esiluhlaza. What if it's yellow? Ngigqoke isikipa esilithanga. Angithi wena ke ugqokeni? Let me know in the comments.